Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix slow download speed on the Brave browser. Alright, so let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up the Brave browser on your PC. Over here, go to the address bar at the top and type Brave flags and press enter. After that, you will be redirected to the Brave experiments page. Over here, go to the search bar on this page and type parallel. Then you will see the parallel downloading option. Click on it and select enable from the drop-down. After that, you need to relaunch the Brave browser to apply the changes. Next, go to the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and select settings. Over here, click on privacy and security, then select security. Now scroll down until you find use secure DNS. Over here, select custom and choose either Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. I recommend using Cloudflare DNS as it is usually faster. After that, scroll down and go to the system section. Over here, uncheck continue running background apps when Brave is closed. Then, make sure to check use hardware acceleration when available to speed things up. Now, go to the memory saver option and make sure it is turned on to free up memory from inactive tabs. Finally, close the Brave browser and relaunch it. Your download speeds should now be much faster. So that's basically how you can fix slow download speed on the Brave browser. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.